Hey here guys, I'm in Casa de Fruta. It's a place that I always stop at when I go to California, Northern California, Napa Valley area. And they sell fruit, fresh. Look at these flowers, oh my gosh. And all the colors of the flowers are just so vibrant. It smells so delicious. So anyway, also on my, it's not a retreat, by the way, but on the 21st of August to the 24th, I'm going to be holding a class, and so it's I'm going to be teaching you what I do to be able to spread it to your families and help everybody that you know. And so you have the method, and then you'll be able to continue the healing yourself, help your families and help your friends and all of it. And of course it's going to be fun, exciting, informative. We're going to be doing all of the, going to cold sits, hiking, exploring, and stepping out of your comfort zone, really, which is what I'm kind of doing here, doing my little jaunt. I have no idea where I'm going, but another little tidbit of pretty cool thing happened while I'm traveling around in my girlfriend's neighborhood. I went down Sioux and I went down Chippewa, two roads right after each other, and if that's not a sign, I don't know what is. So obviously it's going to be really important for me to go and do that, go and hit my my tribes and meet my relatives and whoever I'm related to in these two locations. So here it is. Pretty friggin' fabulous, eh? So anyway, life is good, and in order for you to live your happily ever now, it's very important for you to be good, be kind. And then when you do see me in my car right here, I want you to, you don't have to pull me over, but you can honk, or if I'm stopped anywhere, just say, hey, I want to have my power animal card that you're giving away, and I'll give them to the whole family, whoever's there. And I'll tell you a little bit more in my next video of what these power animals are, and a little more in-depth description about it. So yeah, life is pretty awesome, and I wish you all the best. Lots of love, and spread the love. United we stand in love. And so separation is fear, love is oneness. So be the love, be the change, be the love that you want to see in the world. All right? In order to have it, you got to be it. Mwah. So ciao for now. I love you all. From Casa de Fruta.